This is how you can scan a QR code on your iPhone.
To scan a QR code using your iPhone, the first way and simplest way is obviously to use your camera. So you just open your camera like this, and then once you open, I'll bring the QR code here on my laptop, which is from Mofungo Geeks. It will give you that option there, search Mofungo Geeks, as you can see there. So you can click on it if it directs you somewhere else. If it doesn't direct you, then it will be just text. But if it directs you somewhere else, it will direct you to a browser or to a link that will be on that QR code. So you can see information from there. Another way in which you can scan your QR code on your iPhone is to use a dedicated QR code scanner that's there on your iPhone. So you just scroll down your control panel like this. In most cases, it won't be there, but if it's there, it will come out like this. If it's not there, you just long press, say add a control. Then once you go here, you search, just type code. If you type code, you see certain things like this. So the first one is capture. So this one is for the camera. However, this one is for the utilities. This is the one which we are referring to. So you just click on it. It will add that icon here. Then you do this. Then once you do that, you click on that icon. It will open sort of like a camera, but as you can see, it's different from the camera app. So this is more like a dedicated scanner. And I'll bring my QR code here. Then scan it like this. Then it will show me the text Fungo Geeks like that. And also show me options like search on web and also copy that text. So this is a dedicated QR code scanner that you can use on your iPhone. So these are the two ways in which you can scan a QR code on your iPhone. What do you think about this video? Do you like it? If you sure do, then make sure you subscribe and make sure you click that notification bell.